On the following problem, it'll ask you to select all the points that will also be represented by the sequence from the previous problem. Now, first, we have already solved the previous problem and we decided that the answer was letter C. So I want to be able to find out which of the following points will give me also a solution. So I know that my answer is letter C. So therefore, I'm going to plug in a 3 and see if it gives me a 32. So let's try letter A. For letter A, I'm going to plug in a 3. So it'll be 4 times 2. But instead of the n, I'm going to plug in a 3. And if point A is the correct answer, then it should give me 32. So let's go and simplify it. That gives me 4. 2 to the third power will be 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And that will give me 32. So therefore, letter A is an answer. Now, there may be more than one correct answer, so we need to check more than one. So let's try letter B. For letter B, we are going to plug in a 5 and see if it gives us 256. So with 2, but instead of the n will be a 5. And we are going to multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 5 times. So we 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 4, 8, 16, 32. So it gives me 4 multiplied by 32. That gives me 8, and that gives me 12, so it's 128. It's not 256. So therefore, B is not the answer. So now let's try letter C. That'll be 4 times 2, but instead of that n, we are going to plug in the number 7. Remember, exponents first. So 2 to the 7th power, you multiply 2 times 2 times 2, 7 times. And that will give you 128. So it gives me 4 times 128. And you multiply it, and that will give you 512. So C is also an answer. And now let's do letter D. For letter D, we're going to plug in an 8 and see if it gives us 1024. So it'll be 4 times 2. And instead of the exponent will be an 8. That will give me 2 to the 8th power. Will give me 256. So that's 4 times 256. And that will give you 1024. So therefore your answers will be A, C, and D.